ladies, how are you guys doing? Thank you so much for watching this video and for joining me. This was a request sent by one of my subscribers, someone that has been watching me, and she wanted to know what she can do to have a brighter neck. She said she has a dark neck and I should provide remedies on how she can take care of the black neck. I actually sent an email to her detailing what she can do, but I thought to also do a video because she actually requested for a video. So I was like, instead of me just sending this to her, it's better for me to also do a video for those that will also want this kind of request and for those that want to see this kind of remedy. And in this case, I'm going to be using something that I have spoken about regularly and very popularly on this channel, apple cider vinegar. There are many ways you can get rid of a dark neck and to have like a brighter and even tone, but in today's video I'm going to be emphasizing on apple cider vinegar. I use apple cider vinegar a lot. Of course, we know the many benefits of apple cider vinegar. These days apple cider vinegar has become a lot more popular than like 3-5 years ago, when many of us didn't even know what it was or what it was used for. So apart from you using apple cider vinegar in your food to take care of weight loss, because it really helps to control your cravings, you can also use apple cider vinegar to clear dark marks, dark spots on your body. I've shared a video on this channel about 2 years ago on how I use apple cider vinegar to clear out a lot of spots on my face, and it really worked. Apple cider vinegar is cheap, it is very key, but it's not just for your face. When I share some of these remedies, though I emphasize on the face, but you can really use it for any other part of your body, and apple cider vinegar works well for other parts of your body. You can use it for your hands, for your knees, for your elbows, of course for your dark neck as well. And this is why apple cider vinegar is good. Apple cider vinegar tends to balance the pH level of your skin, thus giving it a natural glow. It removes dead skin cells. The presence of the malic acid in the apple cider vinegar makes it a great exfoliator. Though it is liquid, but it exfoliates your skin very well. So guys, this is one of the reasons why I love apple cider vinegar so much. You need to have it in your home. It's very good for many things, for your hair, for your skin, for your food. Ingesting it is very okay. There are many reasons why you need to have apple cider vinegar in your home. I particularly like this particular brand, Bragg's, but even if you can't get a hold of this, just check out in the market for one that has 5% apple cider vinegar and make sure that it's as organic as you can get. There are other brands. Bragg's is not the only brand, so don't let me be an advertiser for Bragg's alone. There are many other good ones you can also grab, even if it's not this particular brand. So guys, let's just go on to see how I'm going to be preparing this, and so that you can know how to apply this on your neck or other parts of your body. Let's go. This is apple cider vinegar. I always tell my subscribers, or I tell everybody, before you use the apple cider vinegar, first thing is to give it a shake, because usually it settles. It usually has some drag, so it settles down here. So you have to be sure that you're shaking it properly so that you're getting everything in it. Then anytime you want to use apple cider vinegar, because it's very acidic, it's vinegar, you need to dilute it. You can see that it is raw unfiltered. So you don't want to apply this directly onto your skin because it can burn your skin. So don't apply this directly. Kindly mix this with another agent. Water is very good here, or you can use honey as well. So like I will always say, you can do 50-50. If I mix 50% of apple cider vinegar, I will add 50% of water. This is just for taste, and that's it. It's already mixed. That's just it. As in, I like apple cider vinegar. It's not one of those very cumbersome things that you will do, mixing this, blending that. Just mix it with water and you're good to go. So let's just go on to see how I'm going to be applying this on my neck. So guys, now that we have our mixture, you just take a cotton pad like so. You can use a cotton pad, a cotton wool, you can use a face cloth, anything you want. Just dip it into your mix, a slight squeeze, and apply it like so. Your neck, back of your neck, the sides, chest, anywhere you want all the black marks, everything to go, just apply it there. You can do this up to 2 or 3 times. If possible, do this for like 4 times if you can, depending on the severity of the marks you want to clear off from your skin. So that's it. When you're done like this, I would advise you to wait for about 10 minutes so that it can really work on your skin and settle in very well. Don't worry if it stings a bit. Of course, it's acidic, so it might sting you a bit, just a tiny bit. I've probably gotten used to it now, so I don't feel anything, but it might sting you a bit if you've never really used apple cider vinegar before. So just wait for about 10 minutes, let it sink in, then you wash it off. So after washing it off, the next step I would advise you to do is to take oil. In this case, I'm going to be using papaya oil. This is papaya oil. If you want to know how I make my papaya oil, kindly check on the link that I'm going to leave in the description or at the top right corner. I've recently shared a video of how you can make your own papaya oil. Papaya oil is a good agent for brightening the skin and for removing marks as well. So apart from you doing the apple cider vinegar, that's the first step, which is like exfoliating your skin and to lift off all those dead cells. The next thing I would tell you to do is to use papaya oil. In this case, I use only 2 oils, papaya or almond oil. They are very good oils for brightening your skin and for lifting off marks from your skin. So take a bit of your papaya oil. I also like using papaya oil for my face because it's not greasy, it's very lightweight. It's not like all those very heavy oils like castor or grapeseed oil that are quite heavy. It's very light, so it's very good for your face and for any other part of your body. So just take this and dab it into your neck, around your neck, your chest, everywhere, anywhere you have dark marks which you want to disappear. Just dab it around there and let it sink in into your skin. So I would advise you do this at night so that in the morning, of course, it will have done enough work and it will have done a lot of justice for you. So do this, just massage it. Do this, if you can do this for about 2 or 3 minutes. If you can, just let it work well into your skin. And if you do this treatment like every other day means alternate days. If you do it on Monday, you skip Tuesday. You do it on Wednesday, you skip Thursday. You do it on Friday. Doing it like this means you're doing it about 3 to 4 times a week, will help to clear off that dark marks on your skin or on your neck, and in no time a fresher, newer skin will be revealed and you'll be very happy. So doing this consistently will help. Many people send me messages that, oh, this thing is not working. How consistent are you? If you really need to do something, you have to be diligent, you have to work at it, and you have to go and get it. So you have to be consistent in doing this. It might not show results the first time, but if you keep digging or you keep hammering at the spots, definitely you're going to break through. So continue doing this, guys. Once is never enough. You have to continue doing this. When you make this a regular habit, it's going to be better and I'm going to see changes definitely. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a good thumbs up and don't forget to share this video because you don't know who you are helping. If anybody has ever told you that they need to clear off marks or spots from their face, they should watch this video. They really need to watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed already. Just turn on that notification bell as well because that lets you know when I drop new videos. Thank you guys for being so amazing and for showing so much support. I appreciate every single one of you. I will see you in subsequent videos. Stay beautiful, stay healthy, drink water, eat good food, boost your immunity, stay safe for yourself, for your family, for your loved ones.